In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to resize an image in Photoshop. It only takes a few clicks, so let's get started. First, open the image you want to resize, then go up to Image in the top menu and click Image Size. This opens the image size window, where you can change the dimensions of your image. Inside this window, you'll see width and height settings. You'll also notice a small chain icon between them. Make sure that that is linked. Keeping the chain linked means Photoshop will keep the image in proportion, so it won't become stretched or squashed. Now enter a new width. As soon as you do, Photoshop will automatically update the height to match. Once you're happy with the new size, click OK. Your image is now resized. If you want to save it like this, you can go to File and then choose Save As if you want to overwrite or create a new copy. Or you can use Export As if you need a version for the web or another format. And that's it. Resizing an image only takes a few clicks using the image size menu. If this quick tutorial helped you out, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more easy Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching.